Welcome to the future of lecture presentations. Captivate your audience with professional and visually appealing presentations. Use interactive menus like in this example here and react to questions in a flexible way. The dynamic navigation through the presentation enables you to master spontaneous topic shifts elegantly. Create your professional presentations effortlessly with presono. Use standardized parts of your presentation over and over again and create just the individual and topic-specific parts from scratch. Use professionally designed templates and create visually appealing presentations. Increase the engagement of your participants with live surveys created in any third-party tool and integrate it into presono via a simple web link. Presentations can easily be shared externally via a link. Gain valuable insights into viewer behavior and analyze the external and internal performance of your content. If you would like to know more about this topic, please contact us anytime.